This one's a level 8. We're doing it in JavaScript. It's called merge two sorted arrays into one. You're given two sorted arrays that both only contain integers. Your task is to find a way to merge them into a single one, sorted in ascending order. Complete the function where these two are sorted. Okay, so there's going to be a link to the challenge in the show notes. Try it out before watching the video. It's a great way to learn. The other great way to learn JavaScript is with repeated practice. So subscribe to the channel, and that way you're notified every time I post new content. So with that, essentially we're going to be given two arrays that are sorted. It looks like either ascending or descending. So I think what we're going to do is just combine them together. So if you don't know how to do that, we're going to Google the language and we'll combine. So it looks like array prototype concat. So you have two arrays, you concatenate, and you get the result of the two together. Okay. So that'll be our first part. Is we'll say, const combined is equal to R1 concat R2. Okay, so now they're one array. And then what we do is return this array sorted. Okay. Now, sort in JavaScript is super weird. And here's what I mean by this. Let's say I have an array 1, 10, 2. And if I call sort here, okay, notice it doesn't actually change anything. And the reason why is because it's some weird sort of like binary ASCII type sort. Something along those lines is the default sorting. So what you have to do is you have to give it a function. Okay. So we'll say it compares two items in the actual array. Okay. So the easiest way to do this is to subtract the two. So notice here, you're getting back 1, 2, 10. So what happens is it's going to compare 1 and 10 here as part of that function. And if you get a negative number as a result from that function, so 1 minus 10 is negative 9, then that's going to make sure that A is in front of B. If you're doing, for example, this one where A is going to be 10 and B is going to be 2, then 10 minus 2 is positive 8. And so that's going to flip them. So anytime you get a positive number from this function, it flips them. If you get a negative number, it keeps them in that same order. Okay. So sort, again, super weird in JavaScript, but we're going to give it a function here. So we'll compare two numbers, num1, num2, and we're just subtracting them. So this is going to be one of those things where anytime you have to do it, you probably have to Google it until at least, it becomes kind of muscle memory here. So let's test this out. Hark. Expected. What does the concat do for me? Well, I guess it's getting a weird result here. So we're getting 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I guess we're doing unique values too. Dang. Okay. Well, surprise. Okay. So in that case, we need to get the set of unique values. So JavaScript array set. Okay, so array to set. So basically I have to deduplicate the array. Whew, thought this was a level 8. Okay, so let's see. Wow. Okay, so I have this array. Let's say const r is equal to this. Okay. New set r will give me just the unique values there. And then let's do JavaScript array set to array. Convert a set to array. So array from set. Okay. So then over here we have a set, and then we have is array from that. Okay, I think we got this figured out. Okay, so here I have a combined array. What I need to do is say, we'll let combine. Okay, so it's an array with a bunch of duplicated values. Then we're going to say combined is equal to new set combined, and then combined is going to be equal to array from the set, which is combined. Then that should be able to do this stuff. Oh man, this is not a level 8. This is at least a 7, I think. Great job nonetheless, and we'll see you soon.